Hello, today we will guide you through how to set asset allocation targets in ProjectionLab. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the allocation tools, how to adjust the targets using the visual editor, and how to save those changes so your plan reflects them going forward. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set clear, realistic targets that align with your investment approach and planning assumptions. Start by opening ProjectionLab in your browser. On the main page, choose the sample plan to follow along. Using the sample plan is a low-risk way to explore the interface and see how changes affect projections without touching any personal data. Once the plan opens, head into the Settings area. This is the Control Center, where you'll manage key assumptions, categories, and how your portfolio is structured throughout the plan. Inside Settings, select the Bonds section in the left side menu. Even if your portfolio includes more than bonds, this is where you'll access important allocation controls for fixed income and related categories. From here, locate an open portfolio allocation. This page brings together your target weights, giving you a single place to set how much of the portfolio you want in each asset class. Clear targets help ProjectionLab model rebalancing behavior and long-term outcomes more realistically, which makes your projections more useful for decision-making. Next, click Edit to switch into the interactive editor. You'll see a circular chart. This is the visual control for your allocation. Each slice represents an asset class, and you can adjust it directly. Click and drag the edge of a slice to increase or decrease its weight, and watch the percentage update as you move. For smoother adjustments, make small, steady movements, and pause briefly to let the numbers settle. As you tweak one slice, keep an eye on the total across all slices. Your targets should add up to 100%, and the chart helps you balance everything in real time. Think about your time horizon and risk tolerance as you fine-tune. Younger investors might lean more toward growth assets, while shorter horizons often call for more stability. Your targets should reflect your comfort and goals. When you're satisfied with the mix, click the check mark at the top to confirm and save your changes. Your plan will now use these targets in projections and visualizations, helping you see how your chosen allocation could perform over time. If you ever want to revisit your choices, return to the same area and adjust as needed. That's it. Your asset allocation targets are set in ProjectionLab.